Hi, this is Nitin from Trace Focus Software Solution. Today I am going to show you how to register a new patient in a medical module. In the right side, you can see there is no menus there. On the left side, there are so many modules are there. These are sales, purchase, warehouse, medical, accounting, and the administrator. There are so many shortcuts are there: customers, health centers, patients, physicians, product, and the reconfigure. So from the medical module, patient, there is a option called new patient. So when you double click on new patient, it will open a form with a tab called new patient. Here few of the fields are mandatory. Those fields are blue, that is mandatory, and other all are optional. The fields are patient name, ID, date of birth, sex, file number, blood type, address, hospitalization status, RH, marital status, ethnic group, insurance, and primary care doctor. So we are going to register a new patient. So I'm going to create a new patient named Nitin. So when you enter Nitin and you will press enter button, it will search Nitin is there or not. So here you can see in the rest partners you can see lot of patients are there. So we'll go for new, or at the same time you will maybe there are so many Nitins are there, so we are creating Nitin same. So when you click new, it will open a new window where it shows that you have to create a partner as a patient. Why we are creating here partner for an Open ERP? Because in an Open ERP, partners create and it will handle by all the modules. You can see here sales, purchase. So when you create a patient as a partner for a medical, it will also access in the sales for a product, purchase for a product, warehouse, accounting, and the administration. So that's why we are creating partner as a patient. So in the medical, new patient, Nitin, new, and then Nitin. Last name. If the patient have the government ID or license ID, you can enter here the ID of the patient. If not, you can enter same as it is from the ID itself. This is a read-only field, or this is not a mandatory, so you can or you cannot. This is a partner contacts. If there is a contact of a partner, you can enter the contact name, relative of the patient ID, title, and with the function and the relation. In the postal address, the type is default, invoice, delivery, contact others. So by default we choose default because this is applicable for all invoice, delivery, contact, and others. So you can enter the address or street. If exist zip code, then you can enter zip code, country. When you enter the code of the country, it will automatically come. For the India, the code is IN, so it will show India. You can enter or you can create the all the list here. You can see here country by the code IN. So by new you will enter the country name with the code. City Bangalore. State is Karnataka. So when you enter Kar, it will automatically come same it is as a country. Into the phone number if it is there for a patient, mobile number, fax and email. So when you click OK, you will see here all the address part will come inside here. Now here you can see this ID is UR0239533. Why it's UR? Because this patient is not entered the appropriate or exact file number. If it is entered the file number, the ID will generate without UR. So let's see. Date of birth, sex. If a patient come for testing purpose, then no need to register that patient. Keep it save as a unregistered patient. If a patient come for admit in the RMC, then you will enter the valid file number. So you can see that the ID will be 0239846. It automatically come when you enter the valid file number. In the blood type you can choose one A. It belongs to the group of the patient. RS type is plus. Marital status, from here you can enter marital status. Ethnic group, so all the lists are there, you can choose from here. And belonging, you can select from there. Insurance, if the patient having any insurance, you can enter all the information from here. So card number, company name, relation with the holder, self, and the primary card holder. So he himself is the primary card holder, that's why I enter primary card holder is Nitin Kunal. Relation with the card holder is self. If you want to enter any extra information, you can enter from here. What is the membership when he taken this policy? What is the expiry date for this policy? So you can enter everything from here. So when you click OK, say insurance name with the card number will come automatically. So this is the process where you can register a new patient while entering the all the information based on the patient. So there is an option called set image, where you can select a image for a patient and it will come in front of you here. So from here you can set the image. So when you click on set image, it will search where the image. So it will here image is, so you can select this image open. You can see here the image will come in front of you. You can save this image by save as. So all the data entered, but you can see here then in the patient age it's read only. So when you save it from here, it automatically come, and it's also save the document. So this is the process how to register a new patient. Thank you very much.